Hey guys, today we're going to open up 3 of the 2022 Topps Update Blaster boxes. Things have a lot of good rookies in them, so I'm hoping to hit some of them. Let's get into it and see what we've got. These are from Target. They're going to have the royal blue base parallels, 7 14 card packs, plus 1 commemorative batting helmet card in each pack. Dig in and see what we've got. All right, first of 3. Let's kind of hit the highlights when we see something stand out. Every which way, aren't they? Jonathan India, stars of the MLB. George Kirby, rookie debut. Joe Ryan, rookie debut. Wander Franco, rookie debut. That's a good one to get. Gabriel Arias, rookie insert. And Andrew McCutchen, stars of the MLB. Julio, all right. Got our first Julio, so it's going to be a rookie debut. It's pretty sweet. Shohei Ohtani, All-Star Game. And we got Bryson Stott, stars of the MLB, rookie. I'm glad to get our first Julio out the way. Hoping to pull at least a base. Here comes our commemorative card. Nick Lodolo. Got Luke Raley. That's going to be the rainbow foil. Randy Arozarena. The helmet commemorative card. Spencer Torkelson. There we go. Rookie. Generation Now. And another rookie. CJ Abrams. Stars of the MLB. So getting some of the rookies. Would like to see some of their base, but so far so good. Bobby Witt Jr., good. He was one of the main ones I wanted to get, so glad to see a Bobby Witt base in here. Reed Detmers, rookie debut. And O'Neal Cruz, rookie, stars of the MLB. There's another one of the rookies, Mackenzie Gore. It's his debut. Stars of the MLB, Shane Baz, rookie. That's the Chrome version. Michael Fulmer, gold. Numbered out of 2022. George Kirby, 1987. And then the Duran, stars of the MLB, rookie. All right, last pack for the box. We got 2 more boxes after this. Hunter Green, rookie debut. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie debut. So we got both the Witts out the way. And there's another one. Bobby Witt, Stars of the MLB. All right, so we started off pretty good on getting some of the rookies that I was looking for. Box 2. Another Kirby rookie debut. Carlos Correa, 1980, was that 87, right? Yeah. And Scherzer, Stars of the Game. Joe Ryan, rookie debut. There's Hunter Green's rookie. It was one I was looking for. There's our gold, Oscar Mercado. Tim Anderson, Stars of the MLB. Jose Miranda, rookie debut, blue, parallel. George Brett insert. Bryce Harper All-Star, Kyle Tucker, Stars of the MLB. Here's our commemorative helmet. All right off top, Spencer Torkelson, base. That's another one I was looking for. Glad to see it. There's Kirby. We needed that one. And there's Nick Lodolo. That's another good one I was looking to get. Okay, not bad. Little CJ Abrams helmet. I can get with that. Stephen Kwan, rookie debut. I'm hoping to get his base out of this. There's Julio. Glad to get that one out the way. Julio Rodriguez, base, rookie. Royce Lewis, debut. Need to get his base as well. Pujols, Scherzer, Stars of the MLB Chrome. Carlos Rodon, 1987, and Reed Detmers, Stars of the MLB rookie. CJ Abrams debut. Stars of the MLB Darvish. Last pack on our second blaster. There's CJ Abrams base. It's good. Glad we got that one. Jeremy Pena. All right. That was the other one we were looking for right there. So got a couple of the rookies we're looking for in one pack here. Randall Chuck foil. Contreras, Generation Now rookie. And Vidal Brujan, rookie, Stars of the MLB. Well, guys, we've got most of the rookies we were looking for, so I'm happy to say the least. This is our last blaster box. Okay, another Stephen Kwan debut. Stars of the MLB, Alek Thomas, rookie. He's another one that we're going to have to hopefully get his base rookie. Well, apparently my phone ran out of space, so we're going to pick up where we were leaving off. Another George Kirby, rookie. O'Neal Cruz, rookie debut. Jeremy Pena, rookie debut. Cal Ripken insert, Pete Alonso All-Star, and Royce Lewis, stars of the MLB rookie. Another Spencer Torkelson rookie. Ryan Mountcastle, stars of the MLB. Here comes our commemorative in this box. Joe Ryan debut. MJ Melendez, rookie. There's our foil. Japan Legends Reunite. Ichiro. Jonathan India, helmet. Royce Lewis, 1987. And Baez, stars of the MLB. Kirby debut. Another guy I hadn't seen yet, I think Spencer Strider. He's in the set. Maybe he was in Series 2. Julio, stars of the MLB. All right. Got another Julio. Two packs left. Alek Thomas, stars of the game, stars of the MLB, Chrome rookie, like that. Dodgers all-time strikeout leader, Kershaw, gold. There's a Topps black gold insert, Mickey Betts, and Shane Bass, stars of the MLB rookie. Last pack. Another Bobby Witt. Good to see him. And Jonathan India, stars of the MLB. All right, guys, no big hits, but we got a lot of rookies we were looking for, so that'll do it for this one.